In this video, we're going to learn how to change password on PrimeXBT application. If you want to change the password of your PrimeXBT wallet, then here's how you can do it. Open up your PrimeXBT application to get started and also make sure that you are logged in. After you're logged into your account, from this main home page, tap on the human icon at the top left-hand corner and this will open up your profile. Now, click on the settings button from the option. Tap open the security option and then click on change password. You now need to enter the current password in the first text box. Make sure to enter the password you are currently using for the account. After you are done entering the current password, go ahead and enter the new password in the next field you are trying to change to. After you are done entering the new password, re-enter the new password again in the last field. Finally, tap the change button at the bottom and you'll be able to change your password for your PrimeXBT account using the PrimeXBT app. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.